Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the WP Post Schedules feature in BitSocial. Let's begin. First, navigate to the Accounts section. Then click on the Connect Account button. Here, we see different types of social media platforms. Now select LinkedIn. There are two options for connecting a LinkedIn account in BitSocial. To connect your LinkedIn account with BitSocial, simply click on the Connect button under LinkedIn. Now sign in to your LinkedIn account. Your LinkedIn account will be displayed in the pop-up. Now click on the Save button. You will see a LinkedIn account connected in the BitSocial Accounts section. All your connected accounts can be seen here. Then go to the WP Post Schedules section. Now click on the Create Schedule button. Give a name for your schedule. Choose the start date and time for your post. Here, you can also view the current local time. The post interval feature allows you to set a specific time gap between each automatically shared posts. Using this feature, you can share your post in different ways, like randomly without duplicates, purely randomly, start from the oldest post to the newest, or start from the newest post to the oldest. This feature allows you to select a specific time duration when posts will not be shared. This feature enables you to choose specific days when the post is off sharing. Select the post publishing time. Your selected posts will be automatically shared to your connected platforms at the scheduled time. This feature allows you to categorize your content into different types, such as posts, pages, and media. Using this feature, you can organize your posts by categories and tags. This feature allows you to select specific posts from your post list. Here, you can use search and filter to find specific platforms and accounts. Now select your account. You can also customize your post message. Click on the Show Smart Tags option, then select your desired tag to customize your post. You can also include a featured image, a link card, or even all images in your WordPress posts. Now I am adding a featured image. After setting up the schedule feature, simply click on the Create button. The scheduling feature for your post has been successfully enabled and its current status is active. Then navigate to the Calendar feature. Here, you will see all your scheduled posts, including their publishing dates and times. You can also create a new schedule. Click on the Add Schedule button to create a new schedule. Then get back to the Schedules section. You can also pause your post schedule if needed. Then go to the Logs. You see your post schedule. You can also check the response, your post status. If you click on the Visit button, then you will see that the post has been successfully shared on LinkedIn. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.